Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Still obsessed with swiping and wondering what I did with my glasses. There they are! I love it when that happens. I'm sorry, I always forget. So I've got shovels and scoops made from refuse, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these yet, but I am going to use something to scoop paint onto a canvas, and I think I'm going to give myself all the colors that I desire and hope they all come out, and scoop them up, and they'll be pretty enough so that if I have leftovers I'll use them for something else. Now my theory is that if I can make a stripe I'll be happy, but that's not a gimme. And I do want to kind of keep all of the paints that I like. Available. And if you have a question, you guys, you should ask me. And I am going to, I think I want, Just Because I Can, that's the name of my first book on the Amazon link. Alright, so some of these have to get out of the way. Okay, let's be realistic. All of them need to get out of the way. And I'm going to bring over, I'm going to move that away. And I'm going to bring over my black canvas, 16 by 20, and hopefully I put my black paint. Really? Where? There it is, right behind me. Cool. I like it when a plan comes together. Sorry I'm not more organized. It's a tight space and there's a lot of stuff in it. I'm going to pull that little ring around the top out so I can shake it without getting a face full. And it's pretty hot afternoon. I don't mind if I have an excess amount of paint. Matter of fact, that might be a good thing. We shall see. So my plan is, like I said, to fill a scoop. Now why is that so far down there? Okay, let's readjust. I have turntables, in case you're interested, on the Amazon link, along with a lot of other cool stuff. The first blue link under Show More, when you click Show More under the video, has all kinds of stuff that I like, have used, and stuff I have not used. So always read the reviews if there are any. And if you're dubious at all, Google it, which is exactly what I do. Especially for all those ads on Instagram. I got ripped off twice now. Well, the second time not so much, but I tried to buy a hang drum to make soundtracks for my videos that I would like, that other people would find sort of calming, like the chimes, and for 35 bucks, which it should have been a lot more anyway, I should have known. And they sent me a hand spinner, a dollar store hand spinner, like a month and a half later, or a month and a week later, something like that. Alright, I'm going to scrape off my spatula, and I have all kinds of little swipe cards, and I'll decide on them after a time. And I'm thinking that I want to wave this, but if I wave it, I have to do it the way, okay, I'm just going to go ahead, try it once. I got to do it the same on both sides though, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to do it as far down as it takes me also. What I'd like is to be able to keep some of the black negative space. And what I'm going to do is use a fresh shovel on the other side of this so I get similar colors. And I'm on the outside. Gosh, I'm using my right hand, but it feels like my left. I don't know if that makes any sense. Alright, so far I've got some cool stuff going on that I'm not minding at all. I'm going to wait and hold reserve judgment on that. I've got a whole lot of paint left over in my shovels. I definitely don't need all the paint I've got, so I need a little card to rest on the top of my paint pan. There we go, that's going to fit perfectly. Excellent. I like it when a plan comes together. And I'm going to try and grab the same colors and go right from the middle down. We got even more stripes. Maybe not the prettiest stripes yet, but I didn't use as much paint, extra paint as I thought I did. So I think what I'm going to do is give myself a few interesting extra colors. Because why not, really? Because I can! Still using that phrase, aren't I? Yep. I also have another book called Unlimited Possibilities. Anyway, I'm going to turn my shovels upside down and drain them into that pan and hope that I can rescue some of that paint because it's beautiful. I can't really cover it. So my next plan is to go ahead and find the gold, and I think I'm going to do a little orange again. And then I'm going to do the gold. And I really haven't found the black enamel, but it's around here somewhere. Not only black enamel, I have some pink enamel, and I like to use it. I'm really tempted to put some of it part way down, just because I can. And hopefully that'll work out. I guess we'll find out together. So, black enamel is right. Yes, I have it. Please work. Please work. Please, blah, blah, please work. Alright, so just one strand of black acrylic enamel across the top, and I am going to grab something without too much dog hair stuck to it, please, or anything else for that matter. Let's get a cleaner one than that. So I'm going to start with something I don't have. Ha! I'm going to start with a clean edge and a pair of scissors and cut myself a new swipe card, the right length, width, which is about, in this case, I don't know, 1.5 inches. And then I'm also going to cut it in half so I have two. I'm going to pull my little pan down or over here so I can scrape off my residuals if there are any. And I am going to pull straight down, because that was always my intention, was to pull straight down. I don't know what it's going to look like, but I'm really hoping it's going to be cool, and that enamel is in the wrong place. Not sure what I'm going to do about that. Maybe integrate it right now, because I'm not pulling through there. If I'd have thought about it more thoroughly, I would have realized that some of it will be in the right place. Most of it is not. Letting the residuals on that card go right over the side, the bottom rather. I think I wanted both of those sides, and I'm going to do it. I hope it works. So a double pull. It could have been a wider card, but I needed the more shallow card for the edges anyway. I'm still trying to suss out this whole process. There's got to be secrets still yet to be revealed. So, I'm not as excited about that as I was hoping I was going to be. And I think what I might do is drag a small card, if I have a small card. I have a very small card, right up through the center. Let's get those scissors out of here. And should I put a little enamel down there right at the bottom? Yes. Let's put a little enamel right at the bottom, probably right out of your line of view. There's one. Looks like it's all about the dollar signs. right over the top because I can. Looks like I really want some gold at the bottom. I did wind up going through that enamel, strangely enough. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give myself some enamel, excuse me, some gold, and some more black. And if I don't like it now, I'm gonna have to do something else entirely. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna waggle. Make that mark go all the way around. I might do that to the second. I hate to see those cells go, but I don't think they're going to go forever. Still keep wiping my card off. I need a wider card now. And oh, there we go. I can use that. Maybe they'll sell up. Maybe this is too complicated. What did I just do with that other little card? There we go. So I can sort of clean that up with my fingers a little bit at the top. And I still want to drag up through the center. So I'm going to do the same thing right over here. And I'm going to waggle again. Really tempted. You know what? I think I want the orange. This is a 24 karat gold with orange added to it. If this doesn't work, I'm going to take on my purple. It's getting a little busy. Well, I say that, but I think turquoise when I look at it. Yeah, I'm not having a good time at this exact moment, but I probably will be again. Someday. This makes me want to swipe everything. But it's already so close to being swiped all over that it shouldn't make any difference. I think I'm going to tip this because I can. Or swipe the whole thing. And I'm going to try and keep them a little simpler from now on. Unless, of course, some miracle happens. Let's grab an edge catcher that I can put down on my table. Let's let everything run down. Kind of too much orange, maybe? It might just, some miracle may occur. It could happen. It's happened before. Let's go both directions. I think I would have preferred red to orange. I'm not sure. I'm still having an interesting time, and it's aidling me. Come on out. It's white pearl. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I am going to do it with a basting brush. Try and find a clean side. When art projects go sideways. Oh, that's getting kind of cool actually. Which is good because I was not happy in the least. Still got to keep some of those cells. Get a few little white spots here and there, and that's cool. Makes a great pattern. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, reminding you I do sell my artwork. This is for sale. And I give classes at the house in Spring Hill after COVID-19 is finally gone again, happily. And I'm going to torch to release any bubbles that might have survived the basting brush. And this is pretty cool. It's not really anything like what I expected it to be, but that's okay, because we learn new tricks by making mistakes. And it doesn't look like a mistake right now, except for I wish I'd put some red in there. So if you share my videos, you help me out, and I really appreciate that. If you watch them longer, you give me a chance to have the YouTube algorithm think that I might be worthy of better placement. If you watch the commercials, I might make a living. I see a little spot that I didn't do, and I don't know if I should just be that. Ooh, I like the smaller one. Ha! One with more tines. Most of them I remove them in between. I guess it depends on the size they start. Yeah, the little one makes nice curves. Alright, back to torching. And I have an Amazon link I might have mentioned, and it's under Show More under the video, and if you shop there it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. This is a wild paisley, and I'm very pleased that it's not... I mean, the colors are gorgeous and they're shimmering, and you can ask me questions if you guys want to, and I'll tell you what paint colors I use if I know. I said my art is for sale, and you can make an inquiry through my email address that's right under the video. If you binge watch, I've got 1,300 videos organized by the 100 and also by the topic or the genre. You can find them on creative playlists. I'm going to be gone in a second. I have books, I told you about them. Underneath the video of my paint pouring recipe, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. On Facebook, you can find tomorrow's video and other students at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. There is a drawing every month, and you can find what the prizes are included in the exhibition video shared on the end screens of any video of mine, because I bulk edit them every month. Teespring clothing under the video, all over print t-shirts and all over print leggings, and lots of other cool stuff. I think I've told you everything, except for please give me a thumbs up, and I love your comments, and thank you for the contributions that have kept me painting so far. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, pulling off another miracle. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you. There's 86,000 of you. If you're not subscribed, please feel free. Please subscribe. And if you are subscribed, thank you very much for being here. I really appreciate your help. Thank you so much. I will see you all anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.